precious people, welcome to Virtual Gist and Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what we have for you is Ghana jollof rice, made simple and yummy. Ghana jollof rice is very delicious and mouth-watering. I tried this recipe and I said no, I have to showcase it to you guys to confirm it by yourself. If you want to know how I made the Ghana jollof rice, please sit back. Let's get right into the video. The recipes we have for the Ghana jollof rice, made simple and yummy, are set on my table as you can see. I got here my Jasmine rice. This rice is very common in Ghana. They use it for their jollof rice, but you can use any rice of your choice. I got my coconut oil. There is this kind of taste coconut oil add to my Ghana jollof rice. That is why I like using coconut oil, but you can feel free to use any oil of your choice. This is my chicken drumstick and my cow beef. You can use either of them or any protein of your choice. They all goes. In here I got my tomato paste. You can use tomato puree if you feel like, and I have my scotch bonnet pepper. I have the combination of green and red. This is my carrot and my green bell pepper. In here I got my salt, Onga stew, all-purpose seasoning, dry rosemary, curry powder and seasoning cube. This is my onion. I have combination of red and white. You can use either of them if you so wish, and I also have ginger and garlic in there. This is my fresh diced tomato. The only recipe I don't have left here is my bay leaf. When the time comes to show you guys that, sure, you trust me, I will do that. Now I want to blend my diced onion. I dice it off the camera. My ginger garlic is there, and also my scotch bonnet pepper. Now I will add my onion to my blender, ginger garlic and scotch bonnet pepper. I'll add a little water to help the blender. I will cover and now blend until it is smooth. Now I add my diced tomato to already blended recipes. After which I will add all the spices I've already introduced before now. My seasoning cube is not left out. If you want to get the measurement of all the recipe, please hit the description box. Now I will cover and blend all the recipes until they are smooth. Man, if you blend your fresh tomato, pepper and all the spices together, the kind of taste it gives to jollof rice is wow. I'm done blending. This is how smooth it is. I'll now turn it to my empty bowl and set it aside. Now in the same blender, I will blend my green bell pepper and my diced carrot. I will add a little water to it and blend it until it is smooth. Guys, you can also use this diced carrot and green bell pepper to garnish your Ghana jollof without blending it, but to me, blending it like this give my Ghana jollof rice more taste than using it to garnish it. Okay, now I've removed it because it is smooth. This is how it looks like. I will set it aside. I want to steam my meat now, and I will add my blended recipes. Remember that everything is inside this recipe. I blended everything together so that it will give me that real taste, and I will stir it to make sure that everything is blended together with the meat. I'm not gonna add any water now. I will allow the water from the meat to come out first before adding any water. I will cover it and allow it to boil for 3 to 4 minutes, and I will get back to you. Wow guys, look at that. The juice from the meat is out. Now I'm stirring it as you can see, but this juice is not going to cook the meat very well for me. I will add a little water to it so that it will cook until it is tender, right? I'll cover it and allow it to cook well. Now let's check the meat and see if it is tender. This meat is gonna be yummy. Can you see the color and the goodness in there? The meat is very tender to go. Now we'll turn off the heat and set it aside. Now I want to start frying my meat, but before that I will preheat the oil that I will use and fry it. This is my coconut oil. I want everything that I'm going to use for the jollof rice to have this yummy taste of coconut oil. I'll add my meat as you can see. Now I will fry it until it is golden brown. Okay, I will cover it because I don't want any splash of oil anywhere. You will keep stirring it to make sure it does not burn. Now it is ready. I will remove it and set it aside. I want to add my white diced onion and fry it for good 2 minutes until the onion releases all the juice from it, after which I will add my tomato paste and I will stir it without removing my hand for good 7 minutes. After that I will add my fresh tomato. Remember that all the spices, even seasoning cube that I will use for this Ghana jollof rice has been added to the tomato, and I add my bay leaf and then stir very well, and I will cover it from low to medium heat until the tomato loses all its sour taste. You know, the taste of your jollof rice is based on how well you make your stew. Now let's check the stew and see how it is doing. Can you see that the float of oil on top of the tomato shows that the tomato is well dry? What I will do now is to add my blended carrots and my green bell pepper, and I will stir completely together, after which I will test it to know if I need to add any other thing. After testing it, man, the taste is wow. I don't need to add any other thing. I will now cover it and allow it to cook well. Now guys, after some minutes, let's check the stew and see how it's doing. The stew is doing well. Now I will add my meat stock and then I will stir very well. After stirring it, I will now cover again because this stew needs to dry very well before adding our rice. Yes. Now is the time for me to add the fried meat, as you can see. After which I will stir it together to make sure that the tomatoes and the meat are well blended, as in marrying each other. You understand what I mean? After that I will cover it again and allow it for a while. After 4 or 5 minutes guys, I have to stir the stew and then remove some of the meat from the stew. I will remove some and leave some. Now I will add my rice. Please, I wash this rice off the camera and I will give it a good stir until all the rice is nicely coated with the stew. After which I will add a little water I rinse out from my blender, as you can see, just to loosen up the rice so that some steam will penetrate through each one and cook it nicely. I will cover it with my foil and the lid. You will bring it up to a boil like this so that it will be easy for you. After 15 to 18 minutes guys, this is how the rice looks like. I will now lose it side by side again very well, after which I will cover the rice on a low heat for more 10 minutes until the rice cooks perfectly. After 10 minutes guys, this is what we got. Can you see that goodness? This jollof rice Charlie go sweet papa. I will stir it together very well and then I will dish it out. On this junction guys, our Ghana jollof rice, made simple and yummy, is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Guys, the Ghana jollof rice, made simple and yummy, is ready, as you can see it. But do you know the yummy part of it? We are gonna test it right on the camera to really know why they love their jollof rice so much, more than any other jollof rice in the world. You can eat this rice or garnish this rice with any vegetable of your choice. You can also eat it with salad. Okay, they all goes. But for me, I'm going to enjoy this rice with my avocado pear. As you can see, it goes well with any jollof rice at all. I told you that I'm going to test the yummy part of Ghana jollof rice so that I will confirm it myself, because they don't play with their jollof rice, okay? Though there is nobody that will say that the mother's food is not delicious, but right here, right now, if it is delicious, here is virtual gist and skill. Everything is virtuous. If it's yummy, I will confirm it. If it's not yummy, I will also confirm it right here, right now. So let's get into testing it. Ghana jollof rice is yummy. I can see why they don't play with their jollof rice. If you like what you see today, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to family and friends, and always drop your comment. Try this recipe and give us your feedback in all our social media handles. Thanks for watching this video, and we will see you in our next video. Bye bye.